According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 210.52c, if you have a kitchen island with a sink, you are required to have at least one receptacle outlet on each side of the island. This section states that in kitchens where appliances are not supplied by fixed wiring, there shall be at least one receptacle outlet on each wall or partition where a wall-mounted appliance is to be located. In addition, there shall be at least one receptacle outlet located on each side of the partition facing each area where permanently connected appliances are to be located. The reasoning behind this requirement is to make sure there's enough power available on both sides of the island for appliances like blenders, toasters, or coffee makers. With a sink dividing the counter space, a single receptacle might not be enough to serve appliances on both sides. Kitchen islands and peninsulas are treated differently from counter space along a wall because they are typically freestanding. Because islands are freestanding, they do not have the same built-in accessibility to electrical outlets. The NEC requirement for receptacles on both sides of an island with a sink ensures that there is adequate power for appliances on both sides, even if cabinetry or other obstructions would otherwise prevent access to receptacles.